Hi, in today's video I'm going to show you how to roll a log out of the woods with your foot. Now, that seems like a pretty easy proposition, but there's some little tricks you can do to make it a little easier. I'll show you what I do. So here's the log I just cut that I want to roll out to the truck where I can split it. And if it's longer than an 18-inch log, it gets a little more difficult, but pretty easy to roll one of these little things. Now, one of the tricks you do is you roll the log towards the opposite side that you want it to go. So if I want it to go that way, I push the log here. And see how it kind of turns when I push it? Even a little bit more. All right, I'm on the right path. Go right in the middle. Of course, if you got a log that's got a little edge on it like that sticking out, it's going to affect how it rolls. So you might have to push more on this side to get it to roll straight. And here I got a little log I'm rolling over, so I'm going to push real hard on this side. Well, I'm way out of line here, so I'm just going to change it with my foot like this, and we're back on track. Oh, another tree in the way. Go left-footed this time. Look at that. I'll get it right over where I want it for splitting. Right over here. And we'll flip it up. There you go. All ready to split. And waiting for the next one. Pretty simple process, but you get the idea. It's more than one way to haul a log out of the woods, and that's one of them. Have fun out there and be safe in the woods. See you next time. Bye.